Welcome to this video. Today we'll be understanding the confusion matrix in machine learning. A confusion matrix is a fundamental tool used to evaluate the performance of a classification model. It provides a summary of the predictions versus the actual levels of a model's predictions, making it easier to assess how well the model is performing. So what is a confusion matrix and how is it represented? A confusion matrix is a table that visualizes the performance of a classification model. It breaks down the predictions into four categories based on the actual and predicted class: true positive, true negative, false positive, and false negative. So the components of a confusion matrix consist of true positive, true negative, false positive, and false negatives. True positives are those cases where the model predicted the class correctly as positive. True negative are those cases where the model predicted the class correctly as negative. False positives are the cases where the model predicted the class as positive, but it was actually negative. And false negatives are those cases where the model predicted the class as negative, but it was actually positive. Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose we have a binary classification problem where we want to predict whether emails are spam or not. After training our model, we evaluate it on a test set of, let's say, 100 emails. Here is the confusion matrix we obtain. From this confusion matrix, we can say that the total number of true positive cases are 25, meaning the spam emails are correctly predicted as spam. The true negative cases are 65, meaning non-spam emails are correctly predicted as non-spam. False positive cases are 3, meaning non-spam emails are incorrectly predicted as spam. And false negative cases are 7, where spam emails are incorrectly predicted as non-spam. So how do we interpret this result? We can say the accuracy of the model using the following formula: true positive plus true negative divided by total number of cases, which means from the above confusion matrix we can say that the accuracy of the model is 90%. In conclusion, the confusion matrix provides a clear picture of how well our model is performing in terms of correctly predicting positive and negative classes. It's an essential tool in evaluating and fine-tuning machine learning problems. That wraps up our tutorial on understanding the confusion matrix. Stay tuned for more tutorials on machine learning concepts. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.